Good day once again. This is Cha Gonzalez, your learning partner on ChaSpeaks. We'll continue our chat about Assessment 101. This is episode 6, and I'll share some numerous alternative learning systems that you might want to look into. But before we proceed, please support our channel by watching, liking, and subscribing and sharing this instructional video on ChaSpeak. To start, a little trivia which was asked in my first Assessment 101 episode. The term assessment is derived from the Latin word assidere, which means to sit beside with. The term suggests that the teacher sits with the learner during assessment, and that is something teachers do and for students rather than to them. Today, we'll speak about a number of alternative learning assessments. So, what are alternative learning assessment methods? Alternative learning assessments are non traditional techniques of evaluating student knowledge, skills, and abilities that differ from typical tests and examinations. These exams are intended to give a more holistic and comprehensive picture of student learning progress. Number one, performance assessment. Performance assessments are hands-on tasks or projects in which students must demonstrate their expertise, abilities in the real world. These examinations require students to demonstrate their knowledge and abilities via practical exercise or projects. This might entail putting together a portfolio, completing a hands on project, or giving performance. Here are some instances of performance or examples of performance assessment: science experiments, presentations of performances, multimedia projects, case studies, role plays, and concluding projects, and many more. Second, peer assessment. In this method, students evaluate the work of their peers based on criteria provided by the teacher. Peer assessment can help students develop their critical thinking skills, provide valuable feedback, and promote collaboration. Third, students evaluate their own progress and learning outcomes against a criteria, and this is called self assessment. Self assessments can help students develop self awareness, accountability, and reflection skills. Number four, authentic assessments. These assessments are designed to mirror real world tasks and scenarios that students may encounter in their field of study or future careers. Examples of this include case studies, simulation, and role playing exercises. Number five, project based assessments. What are these? Okay. Students work on a long term interdisciplinary project that require them to apply their knowledge and skills to solve real world problems. This approach encourages collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking. Six, portfolios. Portfolios are collection students' work that showcase their progress, achievements, and learning experiences. Portfolios may include essays, projects, reflections, and other artifacts that demonstrate the student's growth and skills development. Alternative learning systems offer educators a more comprehensive view of student learning by addressing a broader range of skills and competencies. They provide opportunities for students to demonstrate their knowledge in authentic contexts and can promote deeper learning and engagement. By incorporating a variety of assessment methods, educators and teachers can better support student success and cater to diverse learning styles and preferences. Again, I appreciate your time. I hope this video helped you learn something new again. I hope that you can now understand and utilize some of these alternative learning assessments. Well, see you in my next episode on Assessment 101. I'm Doc Cha, your learning partner on ChaSpeaks. Thank you and mabuhay.